Good evening, guys. Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with some updates of what's been happening. I know it's been a while since I have done an update. I just would like to kind of go over what we've done recently with some of the progress on the channel. The most recent premiere, about a week or so ago, kicking off 2022 along Tidewater Rails, was a success. It was the first premiere of the year for this part of the year. So I do apologize for the lateness on that. But I would like to say thank you to everyone who had tuned into that video. It was a really good video. Uh, very, 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 very popular among the premiere. Lots of users were coming in and commenting and chatting with everyone. And it was a really good premiere. So I want to thank everyone for tuning into that video. If you have not seen it, definitely go back on my YouTube channel to take a look. Um, I do have the March Q&A prompt that is getting ready to close as of tomorrow. So if you have not yet submitted your questions, this is for March. This is the last chance that you will have for this month, and then April 1st, which is Friday, that will open up the April Q&A prompt, and that's going to open up for the April questions. So if you don't have any questions this month for March, you can always ask them in April. So oh yeah, lots of good opportunities to ask questions, and with those you're kind of creative with it. I like the way some of the users like to get creative with it, which is really good. So that's that. I do have a couple of scheduled restoration videos that I have coming out. I actually did a couple of restorations on some stuff. I decided to get creative and get back in the shop a little bit, so um, I was able to get the tools out and have some fun with them. Um, I will have those scheduled out on a couple of different dates, so definitely watch your notifications on that. I will have another premiere coming up sometime about really first full week in April. I should have another premiere coming out soon. Um, I know the premieres have been kind of in and out, and I do apologize. I've been real busy with my job as well as taking care of some stuff with family. So things with trains and stuff right now have been very limited. So I do apologize on that. But hopefully in the next several months, that's going to really clear up some time where I can do some trains. So, uh, so yeah, uh, very pleased with the first pretty big premiere because that covered 3 months of stuff. It was a lot of stuff in that premiere, and plus I've got another one that will cover a good amount as well. So it seems like to me that it's been very popular. I would like to thank those again for tuning into all of my premieres. Live streams of the layout will be coming back. I just haven't had time to really do a full one recently just because I have been so daggone busy with everything else. And I will be doing those again. Model Railroad Mondays, the 4th of April will be that. It's probably going to start a little bit earlier, about maybe 5:30 Eastern Time or 6 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm thinking about 5:30 Eastern Time for that. So uh, I'm thinking about that. And also, April's newsletter is already done. That will be coming out Friday morning for your enjoyment. So that will be coming to be the first version of the Engineers Bulletin that will be coming out. So I'm still working on a few of the final changes with that. So go ahead and get that up there real soon. So that's a real big plus. So I got lots of updates in that one. And hopefully, as the weather continues to warm up a little bit, I'll be able to start doing some trips again. So, anyway, guys, I just thought I would just say hi real quick and just give you a little synopsis of what's been going on. And progress is continuing to be made in the studios with my restoration videos in line to be scheduling released on during the month of April. I do have a couple of those that are going to come out, as well as some other stuff that I found from 2021. So uh, I really hope you guys enjoy all the stuff I have coming up, and premieres will be happening, guys. Just please bear with me as I continue to go through a bunch of stuff with work and even my job. So anyway, guys, I hope all of you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on the next one. Take care, and may God bless.